On Wednesday, Minister for Energy Deepak Khadka claimed during a National Assembly session that load shedding would affect every household. Immediately after that, Managing Director of Nepal Electricity Authority, Kulman Khising, asserted that such a situation would not occur. However, the conflicting statements from the two individuals have raised concerns among citizens about a potential load shedding. During Thursday's parliamentary session, lawmakers raised objections, stating that the government itself has created confusion.
घरमा कहीँ पनि लोड सेडिङ छैन हुँदैन र उद्योगमा पनि प्रायोरिटीको आधारमा कहिलेकाहीँ चाहिँ राति नपुगेको टाइममा डेडिकेटेड र ट्रङ लाइनको विद्युत नतिरेको ग्राहकहरूको चाहिँ प्राथमिकता राखेर हामीले केही कटौती गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ त्यस्तो भयो भने हामी कटौती गर्छौं रातिको समयमा दिउँसो त्यस्तो हुँदैन र घरमा चाहिँ लोड सेडिङ हुने अवस्था अहिले छैन.
On Wednesday, Minister Khadka claimed that 830 megawatts were being imported from India, which met the country's electricity demand. He also stated that internal production was 1,000 megawatts and that the authority was running at a loss of 250 billion rupees.
मन्त्रीज्यू भन्नुहुन्छ लोड सेडिङ हुन्छ, लोड सेडिङ सुरु भयो. अर्कोतिर फेरि कार्यकारी प्रमुख भन्नुहुन्छ लोड सेडिङ छैन, हुँदैन, ढुक्क हुनु पर्दछ. यो खालको अन्योलता, यो खालको चाहिँ एउटै सरकारबाट एउटै देशभित्र यो खालका समाचारहरूले दिन खोजेको सन्देश के हो? आउन सक्ने समस्यालाई कसरी समाधान गर्ने अनि जनतालाई आश्वस्त हुने परिस्थिति कसरी बनाउने भन्दा पनि यो खालको एउटा चाहिँ दुविधायुक्त, भ्रमयुक्त यो खालको एउटा चाहिँ समाचार सन्देश गरेर हामीले चाहिँ छुट पाउँदैनौं.
The authority mentioned that at 12 p.m. on Wednesday, the highest amount of 725 megawatts of electricity was being imported from India, while the minister had said it was 830 megawatts. It also stated domestic production was 1,600 megawatts, surpassing the 1,000 megawatt figure. The private sector produced 600 megawatts and the authority's associated companies produced 200 megawatts, while projects under the authority produced 800 megawatts. On Wednesday morning, domestic consumption was 600 megawatts, which reached 1,600 megawatts in the evening, which means domestic electricity production was enough to meet household demand and industrial sectors had to face electricity cuts. However, the authority claims to be managing electricity for 41 dedicated and trunk lines.
अहिले भर्खरै म यहाँ बसेर कुरा गर्दै गर्दा 830 मेगावाट विद्युत भारतबाट आयात भइराखेको छ. अहिले भर्खरै हामीसँग पुग 1000 मेगावाट विद्युत छ. अहिले साँझमा अब लोड सेडिङ घरमै पनि हुने अवस्था छ.
At present, the demand for electricity in Kathmandu Valley is 420 megawatts. This has been decreasing daily as most people are yet to begin using air conditioners and the use of heaters has been reducing due to warming temperatures. The demand is expected to peak in the upcoming months. Apart from decreasing demand for electricity, the melting of snow has increased water flow in rivers, which is expected to add 25 megawatts to weekly production. However, despite managing electricity for domestic consumption, industries which have no outstanding dues are still facing load shedding for up to 12 hours.
बिजुली अहिले सरसर्ती हाम्रो उद्योगमा के छ भने तपाईको साँझमा 6 बजे देखि राति 12:30 बजेसम्म फुल्ली तपाईको लोड सेटिङ छ. तत्पश्चात जो छ हाम्रो बिजुली रेगुलर छ. कहिलेकाहीँ अक्कल झुक्कल चाहिँ गयो भने 10 मिनेट देखि आधा घण्टासम्म जान्छ, त्यसपछि हाम्रो सुचारू नै हुन्छ.
Industries have demanded 600 megawatts, of which 200 megawatts cannot be transmitted due to the lack of a transmission line, and 400 megawatts of electricity is unavailable, leading to disruptions from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. and even in the morning. The authority is also unable to supply 200 megawatts even during the rainy season. As a result, industries in the Duhabi, Parwanipur and Butwal areas have not been able to receive electricity despite availability. The construction of a 600 kilovolt transmission line in Hitoda has been delayed due to local issues, and a 200 megawatt upgrade to the transmission line in Dhalke, Nawalpur has been halted due to opposition from locals in Lalbandi. This has caused problems in transmitting electricity from Dhalkebar, Muzaffarpur to the western regions. There has been no political leadership to resolve this issue, and even the managing director of the authority, Kulman Khising, has failed to convince political leaders to address the problem. Energy Minister Deepak Khadka has argued that the report from the Auditor General states that the authority is not in profit but instead facing a loss of 250 billion rupees. However, the 61st report from the Auditor General clearly states the authority made a profit of 9 billion rupees with accumulated profits of 33 billion in the Nepalese fiscal year 2079-80. The report mentions that the loss is not related to the authority's operations, but rather the debt of 216 billion taken for ongoing projects.